In question 2, we're given a graph, a sketch of a graph, between -2 and 4, which is what it's about here. And we're asked, first of all, to sketch the graph of y equals 2 f of x. And this is the same. So basically, between the same x values. So, this is what we've been asked to sketch. If there's a 2 in front of an fx, that just means that the graph has been stretched vertically by a scale factor of 2. So when we come to do our sketch, we need to go from -2 to 4. So I'll put my numbers in. The graph that we were given went from there to the point 2 on here. Well, if ours has been stretched twice vertically, it will still start off at 0 because all stretches are measured from the x-axis. But instead of going up to 2, it will now go up to 4. So the first part of our curve will now look like that. Then, above 2, in the question, it reached the height of 1. Well, everything is now twice as far away from the x-axis, so at 2, it will now reach the height of 2. So that will be level there with that 2. And then, from 2 to 4, in the question, it just went along level at a height of 1. So if it's being stretched twice as high, twice the height of 1 will be 2. So this will now just go along there like that. So the crucial thing was, in this question, a 2 in front of an fx means it's stretched vertically from the x-axis to. So every height is twice what it used to be on the original graph. That was part A of the question. Part B of the question says, describe the transformation which maps y equals f of x, which is the starting one, shown to us on the exam paper, to the graph of y equals f x minus 1. Just one of the things you need to learn. If it's a minus number here, that is going to be a translation. Now it would be if it was a plus number as well, it would still be a translation. But a minus number means you go to the right by that many. So it's a translation of 1 unit to the right. That is what they're looking for that question. And there are 2 marks, one for the word translation and one for the 1 unit to the right. So just as an explanation, if the question had instead been f of x plus 3, that would have been a translation of 3 units, but if it's a plus number here, it is left. So if it had been x plus 3, that would have been in translation 3 left. But for our question, it was a translation of 1 unit to the right.